Today's video, I am going to be showing you how I moved from this to this coily, shiny, defined wash and go on my type 4C natural hair using just flaxseed gel and very basic easy steps to achieve this defined wash and go. So click on that subscribe button and turn on your post notifications while you keep watching. So to make this DIY gel, we are just going to be making use of flax seeds, and this is what flax seeds look like. If you do not know what flax seeds are, you can get this at your local market if you're in Nigeria especially, or you can just order this online, or you can see this at any food store or supermarket. You can ask them for flax seeds, and this is what you should look out for. So to make our flaxseed gel, you have to add 2 cups of water into your pan, your pot, or anything you're actually using. Then add 2 tablespoons. This is not a strict measurement because I saw that this won't be enough and I added just a half tablespoon more. So literally just eyeball it because it's not a strict measurement. And also you have to stir this at intervals to make sure it doesn't stick to the bottom. Keep the heat from low to medium, and that is okay. Once it cools down, this is what it looks like. It is so jelly and very thick, like very thick, thicker than most gel. I think it's thicker than the Eco Styler gel. It's very thick, and I like the way it feels, and just playing around with. So now you just have to extract the gel. I'm going to be using this small bowl, and I'll be using a wig cap. You can choose to use a cheesecloth, a sock, anything at all that you feel you have available and you're comfortable using, but I use this wig cap. Just make sure it is clean, and then I'll go ahead and extract my gel. Once you are done squeezing out the gel, this can be reused again. Just make sure to refrigerate it, but I don't know how many times you can reuse it, but at least you can use it the second time. Now that we have our gel, don't forget to click on that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. First of all, make sure your hair has been detangled properly from your roots to your ends before you step into the shower. So I start up with washing my hair and making sure my hair is clean, and my hair just feels soft, to be honest. And now you can do your deep conditioning. You can use any deep conditioner that you have that brings out that softness and that definition and shine whatsoever. It does the magic for your hair. But for me, it's my DIY aloe vera and honey, and I don't apply any oil. I just apply my aloe vera first, then go in with my honey, and this actually, you can see what it does to my hair, creating this shine and just making my hair look alive basically. And I'm going to wait for 20 to 30 minutes before I take it out. I rinse it out, and that would just be it. I part my hair with side part. You can do center part, anyhow that you want to do it for your wash and go before you start to apply your gel. Now you first of all apply your gel, detangle just using a white tooth comb or any curl defining comb that you have, but white tooth comb works good for me. Then just take a little bit more. Now you can choose to actually do this shingling stuff, but it's not compulsory. But why I am doing it is because first It's my first time doing this wash and go, so I just decided to do everything possible to make it look nice. Secondly, this is type 4 hair. You have to just do something a little bit extra, since I wasn't using, you know, any curl defining brush or anything whatsoever, so I just used my hands to do it. But I wasn't really doing this, you know, very tiny. You can see how, you know, my hair is starting to form the coil whatever. I wasn't doing it really tiny, but it's just basic. Apply gel, use your comb to, you know, walk it through into your hair, and that is it. That's just what I am doing, as you can see. So now I am done with the whole process, and first of all, I will tell you not to be touching this thing, because you would lose definition and just freeze up some part and make it look frizzy. I used a fan, like I stayed in front of a fan to help it dry faster, but if you have a diffuser, you could do that to your roots to help it, you know, dry a little bit quicker, but I don't have one. So this was what it looked like 6 a.m. after I stayed under the fan for like 30 minutes to an hour, and this was what it looks like 11 a.m. completely dry, and you know, it doesn't have those whitish things. I don't know what it's called, that eco styler leaves behind, those residues or anything. I was just left with shine and, you know, definition and just looking nice. This was actually day 1 of the wash and go, and this is day 2 of my wash and go, and this is also day 3 of my wash and go. I'm sorry I don't have other pictures, but this is just it. This is your wash and go. So thank you so much for watching my videos. I still remain your girl Tina Olise, your #1 natural educator. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.